guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm trying to show you guys what the situation is like here in Mississauga after the big snowfall event. It seems like we got a lot of snow today. It's kind of warming up, so a little bit of melting happening, so it's gonna create some interesting driving condition here. All right. So I'll be heading towards 401. Definitely trying to take it slow. They've done a pretty good job of clearing snow here, but still, you know, some part of the highway might be pretty slick. So we're right by the airport, not that far from the airport. You can see the plane landing. Merge into this highway here. Alright, I got some snow blowing off. Because it's been 14 days since I driven this vehicle, so I'm taking it slow, guys. Look at that, much better. Hey, what you will see in front of me, I think that's a Ukrainian plane, a massive, large plane. It's been sitting there for a long time. Every time I come through here, it's there. So gotta take an exit here. Roads are pretty clear. You can see they definitely got a lot of snow, but the roads are pretty clear. Oh, look at that. Air Canada landing. I just got off of the domestic flight. Oh, okay, I see. I'm gonna have to merge. Get in that lane. Love that Tesla. Love the Tesla. I'm in the autopilot. right when I was trying to pass him, he goes to the another lane. Okay, no problem, no problem. I hate driving behind the trucks. I'm gonna go to that lane. It seems like there might be a little bit of traffic in front of me. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know where these trucks are merging from. Maybe. Alright. So the traffic is flowing pretty decent now. Good. Got the cold, guys. Got the cold. So 403, that's probably Hamilton. But for me, I'm going towards London, 401. I think someone told me that always be careful under the bridge because of the black ice. You know, those things are pretty slippery. What's going on here? Another slowdown. This is almost worse than the snow because the freezing rain. I hate driving on freezing rain. Snow is find it a lot better. I'm used to it.